We often think of ancient Greek society as white. But the ancient world, including Greece, was a diverse place, full of different people from different places, who defined themselves by their ethnicity, the national, linguistic, and cultural traditions they shared, rather than the color of their skin. The ancient Greeks did not see themselves as white, but as citizens of the city-states they came from or lived in. Later, when they came together to fight wars, they identified collectively as Hellenes. That is not to suggest that ancient Greeks were colorblind. They were aware of differences of skin color and physique, but they attributed those differences to environment. They believed that human bodies had evolved to adapt to the natural habitats in which people live. What they did not believe is that skin color or physical appearance made anyone superior or inferior to anyone else. But this doesn't mean there was equality. Slavery was widespread in ancient societies, but it wasn't based on skin color, as it has been in the modern world. Instead, people could be born into slavery, sentenced to enslavement as punishment for a crime, or sold into slavery as prisoners of war. Slavery was about exercising power over other people. Power dynamics could also be organized according to ethnicity, and some people's rights were determined simply based on where they were from. Metics were a category of free people who did not have the right to become citizens or participate in Athenian democracy, simply because they came to Athens from non-Greek places, like Thrace in southeastern Europe or Lydia in western Turkey. Even though this distinction was not based on race, but on ethnicity, it still created imbalances in ancient Athenian society. What is a positive way to value diverse races and ethnicities?